We turn on the grind portion of the machine. I can hear it going, and it's pretty straightforward. It turns off when this lid opens up. All I got to do is drop my produce down in there. I'm going to drop that half of the apple and this really difficult ginger, and here I go. Now you're not going to see any juice yet because I didn't turn on the press. But first we're doing the grind. I'm going to drop it. Oh, it smells great. I love the smell of freshly ground produce. Now all this ground up produce is going into the mesh bag in this chamber. There's a little juice coming out already because all these produces are very water plump, and I'm going to make these pineapple slices a little bit smaller. All right, let's see what the yield is over here. I'm going to press the button that says press, and we're going to find out what happens right now. Let's do that over again because it ain't doing